in this guide, I'm going to show you how you can activate card evolutions here in Clash Royale. Before we do get to this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, just open up Clash Royale on your device, and it's going to work the exact same whether you're playing on an iPhone, an Android, or on PC. Once the game does load, you're usually going to be on the battle screen, and all you got to do is just swipe over to the cards or collection tab on the bottom left of the screen, or just tap on it as well. And it's going to open up your deck and your full card evolution, just like so. Essentially, all you need to go ahead and do is find the card that you want to evolve, and you may have to select like the deck itself and then find it. Select it again, and then of course you're going to see if it does have an evolution itself that you can evolve it. For example, like Knight does, and you can see its evolutions right here, whether it's the hero one or it's the evolution. Essentially, you got to get these shards. You need 6 of them, and after you get those 6 shards, you can evolve that card. So I actually don't have any shards right now, so like I wouldn't be able to do that, but once you do that, you just got to drag it up to this evolution slot, like where, you know, Lumberjack or Electro Dragon is, and you are good to go. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.